as you said, the original where it started off was, okay, Black Scorpio, you and General Tree's brother.
Yeah.
General Trees didn't come into the fold at this time yet.
No. General Trees come long after. Echo Man had come before General Trees.
He was there first.
Echo Man had the first printer. I singer called me I shape him in. Echo had a guy in him called Madu. Not you Madu, you know. Madu. Him would have sing anything Echo do, him can sing it back. So you see Madu can sing back. I said, well, I'm going to train Echo Man that. To sing my stuff them. So would you have a guy named Patrick Ira first, but him couldn't do it. And then Echo come in. I start training Echo. Me give Echo a hard time. Every time I come and tell him, say I'm not ready.
Yeah.
but I boost up, you know, come and say I'm not ready yet, Joe. So every time I go and come back hard. So tell him just get wicked, Echo my that. So me and Echo, and then man, one sound that they get to a play named General. And when that sound they play every Sunday night, plays flat. So come listen, I want to come around there, you know. I want to come around there on them trees, huh? Me I tell you about it. No matter how wicked something. Man, what? But they only have one lyrics them time then. If you use Chuckle for me, bike, chuckle for me, you know, and bring something from Miami and for start this a bike, you know, use no key, you just press a button and yeah. So I say, wait, when him drive the place flat, I say, yo, come on to my place. Because we open every Thursday night. Carrying cheese on there, you know. And then cheese just start. The man get wicked on the man.
So was Trees and his brother on Black Scorpio at the same time, or
no,
brother had left this
brother
time?
left now. Because the whole of them are like them the shoemaking work, you know. Brother leave. So General come in. So when General come with the one lyrics, first place we can go a Cavanagh Park with the one lyrics. And we tell him, say, for this, when it start, just go easy. 2 mic. You have a mic, me have a mic. Go easy, DJ. Because race ass thing. And we watch it, it then reach 12 o'clock. We say, look at the lyrics. Hey, it's when him press the mic and him go, hey. Me tell and say, chuckle for me. Fence lick down. Jack have to put in new Twitter, because the man have a voice saying, a Rockstone, you know. Enough Twitter we have to change every time when trees coming up. The second dance now, we can go and place named Glendale Spanish Town. At times to pen the right one outside, stitch it, and choose and stand them over the other side. They would have come and for them some more time over that side. They would clash over there. Jones spend with them. I read over. So cheese come right there so one night, me and him and Jazzbo come into, and from the senders get wicked.
And when you guys met him, his name was General Trees, or you guys changed his name when he got to Black Scorpio?
No man, him named Trees, but we used to call him Berger. Berger, but him can't stick to them say when them a gamble him know if he stick to it. So them call him Cheese, but a Berger we used to call him first. You know, so when him come and then when him come with the voice, every DJ try that voice. The first band with the kind of voice is named Pampidoo.
Yes.
But Cheese have a thing named I'm so when Pampidoo touches him go him not come out to the world, him of it. Pampidoo, so all of them, you know. But that Cheese are the man, and all of them have to take the voice. The closest one to him was Major
Worries,
and him give her enough respect. Because him talk a lot about Cheese. But all of them voice, we hear them with that General Cheese voice. That style there, General Cheese thing.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.